Learn how to bring the pain when you can harvest more of the leads from the traffic you're already getting. Okay, let me explain. You see, when people are visiting your website or any of your digital assets, they're visiting for a specific reason. One is visiting for web design, one is visiting for SEO. You see, it's our job as savvy marketers to provide them with the information they're looking for, the lead magnets, to help them solve their specific pain, the one they're feeling at that moment. If you take this very simple approach to lead harvesting, you will double and triple the amount of leads you're getting from your already existing traffic. Now, I'd like to caution you not to make your lead magnets too open-ended. All of your lead magnets need to make sure that they do these 3 things. 1. Bring the pain. Make sure you remind them of why they're there. 2. Be precise. 5 things that will fix your pain point. Time-bound. 5 things that will fix your pain point this week, tomorrow, today, within 48 hours, within 72 hours. Let me give you 2 quick examples. 1, somebody visits your website because their SEO rankings are falling. An example of a tagline would be this: 5 things you can do to improve your SEO rankings tomorrow. Another example would be, my website design is just simply not converting. An example tagline could be this: 5 simple conversion tips guaranteed to increase conversions this week. As you can see, I'm very precise, and if you're in a niche, then you can even be more precise around the pain. The better you are at explaining the pain, being precise in how you're going to solve it, and making sure that they can solve it very quickly, the more leads you will harvest.